am Sandy.
And I'm Vijay.
We invite you to join us on our journey
As we travel, experience, and share, the UNESCO World Heritage Site of Khajuraho is well known and needs no introduction. The Duladev Temple is one of the 25 temples that have survived the onslaught of time and nature of the original 85 temples that were built during the Chandela rule between the 10th and the 12th century. Shiva temples in India are shrouded in an aura of mystery, and the Duladev temple in Khajuraho is no exception. In fact, being a Shiva temple, why is it called Duladev temple? To know more about this, let us listen in to Anurag Shukla ji, who is an expert on Khajuraho temples.
ये बगल में नदी बह रही है, बारातियों को सबसे पहले फ्रेश होने के लिए जाना है, नहाना धोना है, तो बेहतर तरीका क्या हो सकता है? तो मंदिर में ही व्यवस्था हो जाती है। तो एक बार बारात यहाँ पे आई, तो पहले तीन दिन की शादियाँ होती थी। एक दिन गांव से लोग आए बैलगाड़ियों से, फिर रुके, आराम किया, फिर अगले दिन फिर बारात निकलती थी, बारात होती थी, फिर फेरे पड़ते थे। सारा काम दिन में होता था, रात का कुछ इंतजाम था नहीं उस वक्त। तो अबाउट 19th सेंचुरी AD की बात है कि एक बार जब बारात उठने के पहले दूल्हा क्या हुआ, बेहोश हो गया, अनकॉन्शियस हो गया, और लाइक ही वॉज नॉट रिकवरिंग हिज हेल्थ। तो बेचारी जो दुल्हन थी और उसकी जो फैमिली थी वो दुखी होकर रोना शुरू कर दिया कि ये क्या हुआ। तो वो लोग यहाँ पे शिव के पास प्रार्थना करनी थी कि जब अगर हमारा ये दूल्हा ठीक ठाक हो जाता है तो हम आपको साधना करेंगे, पूजा अर्चना करेंगे। तो कहते हैं कि कुछ ही क्षण बाद में जब वो पूजा अर्चना हुई तो दूल्हा रिकवर हो। तब से इस मंदिर को हम लोग दूल्हादेव कहने लगे।
The builders of the Duladev temple hope to replicate the magnificence of the other temple in Khajuraho, the great Kandarya Mahadev temple. But they succeeded only in limited measure because in terms of the scale, the Duladev temple is on a minuscule scale as compared to Kandarya Mahadev. But they were able to bring to an extent the exquisite elegance of design and architecture as well as the finesse of sculptures to some extent, just like the Kandarya Mahadev temple. The Duladev temple follows the Nagara style of architecture, which is common in most of the temples you find in the north of India, and it doesn't have a path, an internal path for circumambulation, and it just has an entry porch, and there is an mandapa, Adi Mandapa, and the Maha Mandapa, which are the halls which lead ultimately to the Garbhagriha. There is a Shikhara which is actually formed by 3 rows of smaller Shikharas. The walls of the Duladev temple are ornamented with exquisite carvings. You can find apsaras, and one of the peculiar and unique features of these apsaras is that they have a headdress which is in many ways similar to the headdress you find in Bali, which is worn by the Balinese dancers. Inside the Garbhagriha of the temple is a unique Shivling which is known as a Rekhal Shivling and consists of 1008 small Shivlings in the form of lines. For more videos from our travels,
do not forget to subscribe to our channel.